Hello students, this question is taken from test series 4 EE from the subject measurements from the topic electronic measuring instruments 1 and it is of 2 marks question. The given question having ideal permanent magnet moving coil ammeter gives a reading of 3.14 milliampere, which is nothing but the ammeter is reading of 3.14 milliampere when it is connected across two corners of the bridge rectifier. This is the bridge rectifier. When it is connected across the corners of the two opposite corners of bridge rectifier, ammeter reads of 3.14 milliampere. The other two corners are connected in series with a capacitor to 100 kilovolt, which is nothing but here a series with a capacitor is connected in series of the two corners of the bridge rectifier having connected to the voltage of 100 kilovolt and the frequency is 50 Hz from the main supply. The value of capacitance of the connected series of the bridge rectifier you have to find. So in order to find the value of capacitor that is connected across the two corners of the bridge rectifier, first we will calculate the value of average value of current, that is given average value of current as 3.14 milliampere. So we know the value of I average, that is given 3.14 milliampere. So we know the value of from the bridge rectifier, we can the value of average value of current, that is equal to root 2 times of V omega naught C by into 2 by pi, where V is the voltage, omega naught is nothing but 2 pi f, that is angular frequency, the C is the capacitor. So capacitor is nothing but we have to find. So we know the value of average value of current, that is given 3.14 milliampere, that is equal to root 2 into 100, given voltage of 100 kilovolt, that is 100 into kilo is 10 power 3 into omega naught is 2 pi f. So 2 pi f is nothing but 50 into 2 becomes 100 into C into 2 by pi. After solving this value, in order to find the value of capacitance, the value of capacitor is nothing will be 100 into pi by 2 root 2 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 nothing but pico. So the value of capacitor is nothing but 111.07 pico farad, which is option approximately equal to option D. Option D. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the capacitance value for the given bridge circuit. Thank you.